We may not have to wait much longer for the most anticipated gimbal camera, the Osmo Pocket 4. We have been seeing quite a few images over the last few months. However, for the very first time, we got the leaked image for the official Pocket 4 retail box, thanks to Igor Bogdanov. It appears to be the standard variant with creator combo. Not just that, there is also a leaked screenshot of the warehouse inventory, hinting at an imminent launch. Now, here's the catch. What we are seeing from the box image looks almost identical to the Pocket 3. No external redesign, no extra lens, just a plain handheld design that we saw with its predecessor. So, a lot to discuss, the specs bump for the Pocket 4, and when DJI might launch the camera. First, let's talk about the retail packaging. It surely indicates that the Osmo Pocket 4 is ready to launch. Besides, the inventory search result confirms that DJI has already delivered the stock to every major retailer in China, and they have the entire list of the new Osmo Pocket 4 series cameras. The retail box clearly shows us the design, and we can see two new buttons being added beneath the display of Pocket 4. One for zooming in, and the other one is probably for quick access to functions. This will surely come in handy while shooting on the go and give you more freedom for creative shots. Now, it's a bit disappointing that we won't be getting the dual lens system with the regular Osmo Pocket 4. Besides, we have seen the full spec list for the camera, which also doesn't share any overwhelming information. The camera will feature a 1-inch equivalent CMOS sensor, allowing you to shoot up to 4K videos at 120 frames per second. Almost every spec, including aperture and ISO range, is similar to the Pocket 3. However, the low-light footage on the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be better due to the new sensor, which is optimized to capture more light, as we have seen on the Osmo 360. The Osmo Pocket 4 will also have support for seamless YouTube integration for live streaming and uploads via the DJI Mimo app. Another notable upgrade is going to be the battery life. The Pocket 4 is expected to have a 20 to 30% boost in battery capacity, offering up to 200 minutes of battery life. As for the release date, so far what we have seen clearly indicates that the camera is all set to launch. We might see the Osmo Pocket 4 somewhere around February, but only the standard version. As for the Pro variant that features a dual lens, is expected to launch in April. So, if you want a great pocketable gimbal camera, the Pocket 4 will be a great deal, but if you are looking to upgrade, then perhaps waiting for the Pro variant will be the better choice considering the upgrades you are getting. Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.